So in order to do a Section 1031 exchange, what you would do is firstly appoint a qualified intermediary that would facilitate the exchange. Then we would request copies of the escrow documents in order to prepare the exchange documentation, which consists of an exchange agreement, an assignment agreement, and a couple of other forms. Upon closing, the escrow will then wire the proceeds to the qualified intermediary's trust account, which we hold on behalf of the exchanger. The exchanger then identifies their replacement property or properties and subsequently closes on them, and we work very closely with the escrow company on the replacement side, where we wire the funds to close, the deal gets closed, and the exchange is then complete.